So welcome to Fix It with Jeff. Today we're going to be replacing our side view mirror here. Had a little accident. It's just not that the glass broke. This thing actually broke off of its frame. I'll show you that here. So go ahead and get this tape off. Show you what happened here. So yeah, see, so this piece broke from there, and I guess to avoid, probably could change the insides, but don't want to do all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a new mirror in. We bought a new mirror from eBay. Actually, it was white, so I spray painted it black, gloss black, and now we're going to go ahead and let it dry a couple days, and now we're going to go ahead and put it on. So first what we need to do is we need to get the door panel off, and I'm not seeing any screws anywhere. So I'm not seeing any screws. So I think this door panel just pries off. So we'll go ahead and get our panel tool and get this door off. All right, so we got our pry tools here. So we're gonna go ahead and pry around the edges here, get this door panel off so we could get this piece out. I have to get this piece out, or at least, and I'm able to see in here. So at least if we can get it out a little bit, I don't have to take it completely off. So let's get this door panel off first. We'll go from there. Okay, so having a tough time getting it off. Something is holding it right here. I don't want to take too much pressure on this and break it. So what we're gonna do is we can get a box wrench in there and unwrench it. I'm able to feel where the plug is at from in here, so I can get to the plug. We'll go ahead and see if that works to get it out. Okay, so we're able to get it out through here. I had to cut these wires because there was these tabs that are inside here. I was able to reach up in there and unplug it. Seems like this had two connections. I'm thinking maybe this be that it was a heated mirror, but it had two connections. This new one only has one, so I'm thinking it's just going to be motorized, not heated. I'm thinking my old one was a heated one. Can't tell. But we're going to go ahead and put the new one in. We're able to get it out, and we'll slide the new one in. Okay, so we got our new mirror on. The motorizing works, so I think that other connection was for a heater. So we don't have a heater on this car for the mirror. So other than that, this is fixed. We got our new mirror on, and hope you enjoyed. We did we're able to push our panel back into place, so that's all working. Everything is still working. Let me make sure it's locking. Okay, so everything is working fine. All our buttons are working. Our motorized over here for the mirrors. It's working. So we're good. Hope you enjoyed. Till next time, Fix It with Jeff.